here I'm going to take apart some truss computer speakers for you. It's the model SP-988 speaker. These are very old truss speakers. This is the one without the amplifier inside. This one is with the amplifier. See, there's a power button, the 3D sound button, the volume button, knob, bass knob, treble knob, and a headphone jack. When you take off the grill, there's like a 3.5 inch woofer and a 1 inch tweeter. These are not bad speakers at all. But these are all worn out. I might just keep the drivers. These are really old speakers. So let's take these apart. Here's the input ports, and that's to the other speaker. I wonder what the wattage of the speakers are. I think it's at least 5 watts per driver or something like that. 5 watts or more. These have very good bass. Not gonna lie. Can't get it off. There you go, all the screws out. I want to pause. Okay, I have to take those knobs off before taking this off. So here's the inside of it. There's a woofer, the tweeter. The tweeter has no name on it or anything like that. So here's the inside of the amplifier section. Here's the ports. I'm gonna try to get the board out for you. It's all together. And this come out yet. There we go. So here's what the amplifier section looks like. It's pretty warm because I used it a while ago. I think that's a Class AB chip. There's 2 amplifiers actually. So TDA 2030 8A C60I or L, and it says Sing SI or something. So that's the inside of the speaker. Not a whole lot going on. There's the potentiometers, the controls, what's the power, that's the 3D button. I can't believe this is user serviceable still. These modern computer speakers aren't serviceable. This fucking thing just stopped recording on me, and because this stupid screwdriver is messed up. It no longer like picks screws up. The magnetic field is so weak on that thing now, so I had to use this. Now, well, I have to put this video together, and it's a waste of my fucking time. So I want to put this back together. I'm definitely gonna trash these enclosures. I just broke the whole by accident because this plastic's so old though. I don't even use the speakers. I'll just keep the drivers. Throw away both the enclosures. Take this one apart. I'm going to throw these enclosures away. It's so horrible condition. Like there's marks on it. It does not look good. That is in horrible condition. I never noticed it was like that. So I can't reuse these enclosures. I did not broke this. It was like that. Obviously the plastic age. So wild. Here's the inside of the speaker. Yeah, it's like totally broken. If I try super gluing this, it won't stay together. Like if I drop it, it will shatter. Like this will break off again. Super glue rarely works for this plastic. So yeah, this plastic's done. It's still not in horrible like shape, but I just can't reuse the enclosure now because the plastic's broken. So I'm gonna keep the drivers. The drivers are nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I mean, I want to take out the drivers video first. So let's do that. I want to keep these beautiful drivers. Maybe put them in a wood enclosure. What it kept is if there wasn't any marks on the enclosures, and if it wasn't too yellowed. These have been left in the sun for a long period of time to. That's what the drivers look like. Pretty nice. The foam is still intact. So I'm just gonna save these drivers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.